Hello friends, welcome to the Daily Current Affairs by NEO IAS. So today on 12th April 2019, our topics are International Maritime Organization, United Nations Population Fund, National Sample Survey Office, Current Affair Capsule, then Map Aided Program and PQRs. So our first topic, that is International Maritime Organization. So, the IMO, it came up with new global rule on electronic information exchange, that too between the ship and port, and that has come into force. So, that is the news actually, and actually this is a mandatory, this standard, it is mandatory under IMO's Convention on Facilitation of International Maritime Traffic, that is FAL Convention, and it comprises standards and recommendation practices of simplifying the formalities and even the documentary requirements and procedures of ships, such as coming off the ship, then staying and departure, etc. Okay, and about IMO, we know that it is the United Nations specified agency that is responsible for safety and security of the shipping and also prevention of marine pollution by ships. Okay, and we can say that they are global standard setting authority for safety, security and environmental performance of international shipping. So, three things are there: safety, security and environmental performance of international shipping, and they cover all aspects of international shipping, as I said, including even design, construction, equipment, manning, etc. That means ship design, ship's construction and various equipment, manning, etc. And the major priorities of IMO in the coming years include promotion of sustainable shipping and sustainable maritime development. That is the major priority of IMO in the coming years. And about IMO Council, it consists of 40 member countries. And this 40 member countries, it can be divided into three categories, that is category A and B, it consists of 10 members each, and category C consists of 20 members, thus total 40 member countries. And these members, they are selected by the IMO Assembly. And IMO Council plays a crucial role in deciding various important matters within the mandate of IMO and also in relation to the global shipping industry. That is whether it be the program strategy or the budget. Okay. And about India and IMO, India is one of the earliest members of IMO, and it has been ratified its convention and joined it as a member state in the year 1959. Thus, we can say that India is a member since the time of its formation and still it is continuing except for 2 years, that is 1983 and 1984. So, all other years India is a member of IMO, and India is a party to 34 IMO Convention and protocols, and it is currently in advanced stage of ratifying Ballast Water Convention and Bunker Convention. So, this Bunker Convention, we know that it is to provide adequate or prompt requirements for those who survive or those who are affected with this oil spills from this bunkers. Okay. That is about this Bunker Convention. And coming to our second topic, that is United Nations Population Fund, UNFPA. So, according to the State of World Population 2019, the flagship report of the UNFPA, it says that India's population is growing as fast as the world's. That is, its teen birth and as well as the maternal death is very few. And about UNFPA, we know that it is United Nations Sexual and Reproductive Health Agency. And its main mission is to deliver a world where every pregnancy is wanted and every childbirth it is safe, and also every young person's potential it is fulfilled. That is its mission. And recently it has been known for its worldwide campaign against child marriage and obstetric fungicides, etc. Mainly about this child marriage. Okay. So recently it has been known for its worldwide campaign against child marriage, then female genital mutilations, etc. And their work involves the improvement of reproductive health, including creation of national strategies and even protocols, and also birth controlling by providing adequate supplies and services. And it is known as United Nations Fund for Population Activities, and it was created in 1969, and in the same year of its creation in the United Nations General Assembly, it also announces that the parents, they have got the complete right to to say that how much children they want and the adequate space between the children. So the parents, they have got the complete right or complete freedom to say about the or to have how much children they want and to keep the space between the children. And it is also, it's a member of the United Nations Development Group. Okay. And our next topic is National Sample Survey Office. And why it came in news? Because according to the survey of this NSSO, Annual Periodic Labour Force Survey, says that the unemployment in 11 states, it exceeds the national average. And to say that Kerala is having the highest unemployment rate, that is 11.4% in 2017-18 when compared to 6.1% in 2011-12. And Kerala, it is followed by Haryana, Assam and Punjab, and Chhattisgarh, it is said to have least rate of unemployment. Okay. And about this NSSO, we can say that this is one of the national organization which is responsible for conduct of large scale sample survey in different fields in an all India base. Okay. So they conduct surveys in different fields and it is headed by the Director General and comes under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. And as I said, this NSSO conducts surveys on consumer expenditure, employment, unemployment, social consumption, manufacturing enterprises, then service enterprises. And these surveys they are conducted on once in every 5 years. And it also conducts survey of land and livestock holding and debt and investment, and that survey it is conducted once in 10 years. And it also releases annual survey of industry for industrial sector, then agriculture statistics for agriculture sector and survey sector data. Clear? Then it has got 4 divisions, that is Survey, Design and Research Division, that is in Kolkata, then Field Operation Division, New Delhi, Data Processing Division, Kolkata, and Coordination and Publication Division, New Delhi. That is its 4 divisions. And in current affair capsule, our topic is Bold Kurukshetra. So it is the 12th edition of joint military exercise between India and Singapore, and it focused on developing interoperability and to conduct of joint tactical operations in mechanized warfare. So you have to remember, it's the 12th edition of joint military exercise between India and Singapore. And map aided program, today we have got Ishigaki Island. So actually, it's a Japanese island and it is located west of Okinawa Islands, and it is the second largest islands of Yaeyama Island group. Okay, so it's a culturally influenced by both Japan and Taiwan, and due to its strategic location. And its importance is that the Japan, it has forward base on this Island. So, as it had got a forward base on this island, what happens is that the Japanese Coast Guard, they are on a vigil to ensure that Japan, it maintains its hold over the Senkaku Islands. Yesterday we discussed about the Senkaku Islands. Actually, it is a strategic point of conflict between China, Taiwan and Japan. So, as Japan is having a forward base on this Ishigaki Island, they can They can have a vigil to ensure that Japan maintains its hold over this Senkaku Islands. Okay. Here you can see the Ishigaki Islands. It is this circled portion, and here you can see the Okinawa Islands also. And in prelims question revision series, our question is: a rise in general level of prices may be caused by 1. An increase in the money supply, 2. A decrease in the aggregate level of output, 3. An increase in the effective demand. So, select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 1 only, B 1 and 2, C 2 and 3, then D 1, 2 and 3. So, our question is a rise in general level of prices. So, we know that when the price level increases, what actually happens is that this question, it is inflation. So, what happened when the rise in general level of prices of commodities increase means there is an increase of money supply, or first option. Naturally, when the money supply increases, every person is having money with them. So, the demand for the commodities, it will naturally increase. So, when the demand for commodities increase, what happens is that there will be decrease in the supply. Okay. So, for coming to our options, our first option is an increase in the money supply. That's correct. So, when the price level rises, naturally there will be an increase in the money supply. Then second one, a decrease in the aggregate level of output. Yes, supply will decrease. So, the second option is also correct. Then third one, an increase in the effective demand. So, when inflation happens, there will be a rise in the money level, and naturally there will be an effective demand for the commodity. So, the people will demand more and the supply will decrease. So, our answer it is 1, 2 and 3. That is, our answer is D, that is 1, 2 and 3. So, this question is related to high inflation in an economy for some time. So, this question is from that topic. Okay, actually it is a very direct question. So, our answer is D. So, that is all for today's session. You can download the material from the link given below. Thank you for